first step is to take some butter. So this is room temperature butter. If you've stored it in the refrigerator, you have to take it out about half an hour before you start the baking process. So I have some butter here. I'm going to add 1 cup of refined flour. Now I'm going to break the butter and I'm going to make this into crumbs. So my crumbs are ready. The refined flour has combined well with the butter. Now at this stage, I'm going to add some condensed milk. So I'm going to add it in batches so that we can make a fine dough out of this. Now you do not need to add sugar because condensed milk already has a lot of sugar. But if you want it to be sweet, then of course you can add. You have to make it into a dough just like we make rotis. And you have to keep kneading it so that it becomes soft. So I've made this into a fine dough. You need to knead it continuously to make it soft. So that way the cookies will turn out even better. My dough is ready. It's now time to shape the cookies. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a small ball of the dough. I'm going to roll it nicely so that there are no cracks on top. So you have to ensure that it's very smooth. So now I'm just going to flatten it and I'm going to give it a shape. If you're finding it difficult to give it shape, you can use a stencil or you can use a small, a small bowl. So I've shaped the cookies and I'm going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until they turn golden brown. I've taken the milk cookies out of the oven and as you can see it has got a nice golden brown color. So the cookies are ready to be enjoyed. You can have this with your evening cup of chai or coffee, anything that you like.
To add